Hi, Lorraine here from Stick & Dinge. If your sleeve pattern is too wide, use this easy method to make it narrower. Draw a vertical line down the center of the sleeve. Cut along this line. Stopping about 1 millimeter from the top so that it stays connected. On the one side, at the bottom of the cut line, mark how much narrower you want the sleeve to be. Slide the other side over until it meets the mark. And tape it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video.